Hello students, today I will explain question number 3 of exercise 6.2. In a figure 6.30, if AB is parallel to CD, EF perpendicular to CD and angle GED equal to 126 degree, find the angle AGE, angle GEF and angle FGE. So इसमें given है कि AB जो है वो CD के पैरेलल है और इसमें EF लाइन जो है वो CD पे परपेंडिकुलर है, इट मीन्स 90 डिग्री बना रहा है। And one angle is given, angle GED is 126 degree. Then you have to find the AG, GEF and angle FGE. So firstly we will find the angle AGE. So see here, angle AGE and GED both are alternate interior angle और GED कितना गिवन है 126 डिग्री. सो AGEB कितना होगा 126 बिकॉज alternate interior angles are equal if lines are parallel. So angle AGE equal to angle GED and region is alternate interior angles. Angle GED equal to 126. So angle AG equal to 126 because both are equal. दोनों इक्वल है तो जितना GED होगा उतना ही AGE होगा. तो GED कितना है 126, it is given. So measure of angle AGE is also 126 degree. Now we will find GEF. Now angle FED equal to 90 degree because EF is perpendicular to CD. So EF perpendicular CD में है तो यहाँ कितने डिग्री का एंगल बनेगा 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनेगा. Now you have to find angle GEF, मतलब इतना एंगल फाइंड करना है GEF. तो यदि हम टोटल एंगल में इतना एंगल माइनस कर दे 90 तो GEF बचेगा. Angle GED is 126 degree, it is given. And measure of angle FED is 90 degree. So put here 90 degree. It means 126 degree minus 90 degree. So here will come 36 degree. So angle GEF equal to 36 degree. Now you have to find the angle FGE. So see how will you find it? Line AB and CD both are parallel and see here this angle and this angle both are co-interior angle. It means angle FGE and GED both are co-interior angles and co-interior angles are supplementary. मतलब दोनों का सम कितना होता है 180 degree. We know that angle GED is equal to 126 degree. So angle FGE plus 126 degree equal to 180 degree. Then angle FGE equal to 180 minus 126 degree. So here will come 54. So angle FG equal to 54. Hence angle AG equal to 126 degree, angle GEF is equal to 36 degree and angle FG is equal to 54 degree.